Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce the large metal planter, a sleek and modern addition to your outdoor patio or porch that measures 38 inches by 13 inches and stands 30 inches tall, perfect for showcasing your favorite plants and flowers. This planter boasts a user-friendly design with a spring buckle and card slot system, eliminating the need for screws and making installation a breeze. No screwdriver required. Crafted from durable stainless steel, it can support up to 220 pounds of soil, ensuring your garden thrives in style. Its elegant white finish makes it a versatile piece that enhances the beauty of any space, from offices to gardens and halls, creating a pleasant and comfortable atmosphere. Plus, we've included 4 accessories to help you adjust the balance of the planter on uneven surfaces, ensuring stability wherever you place it. For a step-by-step installation guide, be sure to watch our video tutorial, and if you have any questions, our customer service team is always ready to assist. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more great product showcases. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.